18 stars more, please.
Hey everyone, Squink here. I used to be a police officer, so for that reason, I'm here today to answer one question. That question is,
What the hell are the cops doing? Why did they shoot that guy? Why are the cops driving so fast?
so I'm here to answer all those questions that the public generally has on every Facebook post involving the police and more, hopefully. I do these videos every single day. Today's no different. Today's video comes from police activity. It is titled, Armed Felon Crashes into Light Pole While Attempting to Flee from Police. Again, I've never seen this video. I'm reacting in real time and just kind of giving you my thoughts as a former police officer, just so you guys can kind of get into the heads of the police officers in this video. I don't like to waste time, so let's jump in. Right off the bat, something I noticed. Generally not great to approach the vehicle from the front because you can't see the hands behind the dashboard. And it's real easy for someone to just go, whoop, boom, boom, boom.
18 dispatch. It's in our vehicle's plate is going to be Ohio plate.
Uh-oh. When those brake lights light up, that's cause for concern. That usually means they're about to put it from park to drive.
Window.
Hey, bud. Bud, wake up.
Roll down the window. I don't think it's locked.
Sorry to anyone who has dogs right now that are losing their minds.
Hey, roll down the window. Put your car in park.
Oh, it's not in park?
Car in park.
Yeah, then I especially would not have parked my squad car right in front of it. I would reposition the squad car while the other officer stands with him and then park behind him. Because if he takes off, that squad car is going to get hit. And possibly this guy gets sandwiched if he's still in front.
Car in park. Hey! Nope.
They gotta break it. They gotta break the window. You gotta break the window at this point.
Stop!
They have
Put it
gotta
in
break the
park.
window. There we go.
Put it in park. Nope. Knox, hang on. Knox, let it go.
I love how he just like hit the trunk in frustration.
Oh. 18 stars more, please.
Uh-oh! Break the window. Thank you. Good.
Get out of the
Pull him out.
Nope. Nope. Stop.
God.
Stop. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Is it in park?
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm getting out. Get out of me, bro.
Get out of the car.
Get off of me.
Get out of the car. You're getting tased.
You're gonna get tased.
Nope.
Please.
Get out of the car. You're getting tased. Taser.
He's not buckled. I don't know why they're not just pulling him with all of their strength. Pull him! Pull him!
I'm sorry.
Get down on the ground now.
While their muscles are tensed up like that and they can't really do anything, that is the best time to grab them and do what you need to do with them to effect the arrest. We don't see it a lot because a lot of cops don't want to touch them while they're getting electrocuted because they don't want to accidentally get electrocuted if they touch one of the prongs.
Get down on the ground now.
I am, bro.
Give me your hand.
Bro. I am, bro.
Get a cuff on his right hand.
I ain't gonna do no more crime.
Are you guys all good? Yeah.
Where are they? So I must have skipped ahead and they secured him already.
I got a pistol, at least one. Okay.
Okay, so what they're doing right now is searching the vehicle, incident to arrest. One in the chamber, baby. He was ready to go. All right, that's pretty clear cut. Okay, time for the grading portion of the video. For the cops, I give them an A. They did very good. They were clear with him. I was really worried for a second that he was gonna jump in while the guy started to drive away, and we've seen videos like that, haven't we? Usually doesn't end well. So good on the other officer to tell the other officer, hey, don't jump in the car, because that's exactly what he said.
Knox, hang on. Knox, let him go.
Yeah, he's like, just let him go. We've seen several videos where if you hang on to it, not good. So they did great. This is pretty clear cut. The guy had a gun in there. That's always scary. You never know what's inside the vehicle. Usually they're running for a reason. In this case, it was probably because of the gun and because he's intoxicated. You could tell he was just kind of staring there blankly at the beginning of the video. That's common with people who are well beyond the legal limit to drive a vehicle. Other than that, I do these videos every single day. Here I am today. I didn't really want to do it, but I'm here, aren't I? I do them every day. So if you like it, subscribe, comment, share, comment, like, subscribe, shaman, share it, shog it, shake it, shoog it, sha. Love you guys. I make them for you. I'm using my law enforcement background to enlighten you as to the thoughts of the blue guys. That's that. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Whoops.